Using the law of sine, we need to show that in a triangle ABC, C times sine of A minus B over 2 equals A minus B times cosine of C over 2. Let us begin. First, we'll specify the law of sines. So here we have a triangle ABC. The letters A, B, and C in lowercase represents the sides opposite to angle A, B, and C respectively. Then the law of sine states that the ratio of side A to that of sine of the angle opposite to it will be equals to the ratio of side B to that of the sine of the angle opposite to it. This is also equals to the ratio of side C to that of the sine of the angle opposite to it, that will be angle C. So this is the law of sine. So here we will suppose that let these three ratios be equals to a constant lambda. Then A will be equals to lambda times sine A. B will be equals to lambda times sine B. And C will be equals to lambda times sine C. So we'll start from the right hand side. So on the right hand side we are given A minus B times cosine of C over 2. So we can replace the value of A and B with lambda times sine A and lambda times sine B respectively. We'll take lambda as the common factor. So we have lambda multiplied to sine A minus sine B multiplied to cosine of C over 2. Now we can combine sine A minus sine B. That's given by the formula lambda multiplied to 2 times we have cosine of A plus B divided by 2 multiplied to sine A minus B divided by 2 whole multiplied to cosine of C over 2. Next, what we'll do, we know for a fact that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle adds up to 180 degrees, or we can say that A plus B plus C equals to pi radians. So A plus B, that will be equals to pi minus C. Or I can say that A plus B whole divided by 2 will be equals to pi over 2 minus C over 2. So let's take the cosine on both sides. So we have cosine of A plus B over 2. This will be equals to cosine of pi over 2 minus C over 2. Now what is the value of cosine of pi over 2 minus C over 2? So that's simply sine of C over 2. And this is going to be positive because we are in the first quadrant. So replacing this value on the right hand side, so we are going to get lambda. So we have 2 times lambda. So cosine of A plus B over 2, this will get replaced with sine C over 2. So we'll also write cosine of C over 2. So we have cosine of C over 2 whole multiplied to sine of A minus B over 2. Fine. Now we can combine 2 times sine C over 2 times cosine of C over 2 using the fact since we have 2 times sine theta times cosine theta, this is equals to sine 2 theta. So that means we will get lambda times sine. We get 2 times C over 2 multiplied to sine A minus B over 2. So this gives us lambda multiplied to sine C multiplied to sine A minus B over 2. We have already defined lambda sine C using the law of sine. So lambda sine C, that's simply the side C. So this will be equals to side C multiplied to sine A minus B over 2. So this is the expression on the left hand side. So we started out from the right hand side, we obtained the left hand side. So hence we have successfully showed that C times sine of A minus B over 2, that's equals A minus B times cosine of C over